Hello, our project is Voice Controlled Wheelchair by Aditya Kumar Bhatt, Aishwarya NG, and Medini. These are the table of contents we are going to discuss: abstract, objective, methodology, hardware description, software description, results and discussion, societal relevance, conclusion and future scope, comments on commercialization and targeted user. Abstract. The project presents a multifunctional smart wheelchair for a moment disabled people along with the patient monitoring using Arduino. The wheelchair can move left, right, forward direction and backward directions. The movement is controlled by ultrasonic sensors used to detect obstacle. Microcontroller controls the movement of wheelchair by controlling the DC motor interfaced with the motor driver. Patient monitoring system is also achieved. The temperature sensor and pulse sensor and data is given to the microcontroller. Whenever the parameter rise above the threshold values, an alert message is sent to the doctor's phone using GSM module. Along with this, obstacle detection is also implemented using ultrasonic sensor. Objective: providing independent living for physically challenged people by the use of voice operated wheelchair. To build a wheelchair control module and interface it with the speech recognition board as well as wireless microphone unit. To integrate all the modules together to produce a wireless controlled motorized wheelchair. The goal of this project is to design low-cost voice-controlled wheelchair with health monitoring system which measures the heart rate and body temperature of the patient and send alert message to the individual specified in a program. The goal of the smart wheelchair project is to enhance an joystick controlled wheelchair using sensors to perceive the wheelchair surroundings. Sudden change in the pulse and body temperature of the person on the wheelchair is monitored using biomonitoring sensors. Methodology. Here we use Atmega 328 microcontroller, voice recognition module, microphone, pulse sensor, temperature sensor, motors, motor driver circuit, ultrasonic sensor, and GSM module. When we give a voice command, the microphone converts human voice into electrical signal. The audio signal is converted to electrical signal, goes to the voice recognition module to recognize the voice signal which has been trained to the module. The human voice should be trained to the voice module at the beginning before we give a voice command, and the voice recognition module will produce the binary output. The output of the module is being interfaced with Arduino will process the output of the module for the motor direction control. An ultrasonic sensor is used to detect obstacle in front of the wheelchair. Whenever the wheelchair is going to the desired direction, the ultrasonic sensor transmits the ultrasonic waves without any interruption. When obstacle comes into path, the sensor's wave reflected back by the object and the discontinuously in the reception of ultrasonic wave information is passed to the microcontroller. If any obstacle is detected less than the distance of 40 cm, wheelchair will not move till the obstacle passed or went away greater than the 40 cm from the wheelchair. Arduino cannot be directly connected because it cannot give sufficient current to drive the DC motor. Motor driver is a current enhancing device. It can also be act as switching device. Thus motor driver is inserted between the Arduino and the motor. Motor driver take the input signal from the Arduino and generate corresponding output for the motor. This motor driver can drive two motors simultaneously. Hardware description. Here, the heart of a project is microcontroller, which is nothing but Arduino Uno. All the other components, such as voice recognition module, ultrasonic sensors, GSM module, temperature sensor, pulse sensor, are connected to the microcontroller, and the output of the microcontroller is connected to the motors that run the wheelchair to the required direction according to the voice commands are given by the user. Software description. The hardware of the device requires appropriate software to move the wheelchair using commands. The software we used in our project is Arduino Integrated Development Environment. The language we used here to write the code is Embedded C. The phase 1 of our project is voice controlled wheelchair. The phase 2 of our project is health monitoring system. This flowchart, the figure 1 shows the voice controlled wheelchair. It starts the process and initializes the input output pins of the before receiving the commands. Then give a command as forward, backward, right or left. For any command, the ultrasonic sensor checks or detects is there any obstacle present in front of the wheelchair. If there is no obstacle, the wheelchair will not move. It automatically takes the stop command until and unless the obstacle disappears. If there is no obstacle, the wheelchair moves according to the command received by the microcontroller. The second figure shows the flowchart of phase 2 of our project, that is health monitoring system. The health monitoring system consists of temperature sensor and pulse oximeter. The system starts with initializing the sensor and input-output pins of the microcontroller. The sensor reads the temperature and pulse rate of the person and sends the signal to the microcontroller. The received signal processed in the microcontroller. If the value of temperature and pulse rate of the person exceeds above or below the threshold value which is specified in the program, then it sends alert message to the backend receiver. If the value of the temperature and pulse rate of the person is normal or does not exceed threshold value, then the sensor keep monitoring the temperature and pulse rate of the person. Results and discussion. The wheelchair does not require any person to move as it is automated with the motors. Movement of the motors can be controlled with the help of voice commands and Arduino Uno and the battery using controller boards. Firstly, the voice recognition system will be tested in a quiet room with a single user so that all the words are correctly recognized. Next, we will test with a different user on whom the system was not trained. About 5% error occurred in this case. For example, words like RIGHT, right, were recognized as WRIT. This was because the recognizer heard different pronunciation. However, after the user had spoken the word a number of times, the recognizer had enough examples and properly determined what pronunciation the user spoke. Societal relevance. The proposed voice operated multitask wheelchair can bring more convenience and the dignity. The technology can also enhance safety for users who use ordinary joystick controlled wheelchair by preventing collisions or any means of accidents. Sudden change in the health of the person on the wheelchair can be monitored without the human aid. Next, we tested a system in a noisy room by turning on the music. When the music is light or a volume of the music is low, the words are correctly recognized. But when we turned the volume of the music high, the recognizer found it difficult to recognize the user's voice and often took commands from what it heard in the music. The voice controlled wheelchair is now trained properly and working efficiently with all the commands given to the wheelchair. Conclusion and future scope. The design and implementation of the voice controlled wheelchair for disabled people using Arduino and voice recognition module for controlling the motion of the wheelchair is designed. The direction of the wheelchair can be selected using the specified voice commands. The wheelchair is a cost effective solution to the society's need for the modern and smart assistive technology. In the implemented system, there are two modes of operation included in the wheelchair, namely temperature detection and pulse rate detection. Ultrasonic sensor has been used for implementing obstacle avoidance and anti-collision mechanism. Body temperature and heart rate of the wheelchair user is monitored, and if the value is exceed a particular specified normal threshold value, a warning message will be sent to the individual specified in the program. A system can directly enhance the lifestyle of physically challenged people in a community is implemented. This project has many advantages like safety, comfort, energy saving, full automation, etc. Future scope: the voice controlled wheelchair can be further developed. The wheelchair speed control system is targeted to be both indoor and outdoor. This means it has to be noise proofed and weather proofed. It must have the ability to recognize the voice commands even in the presence of the background noise. Further advancement in the wheelchair are possible by decreasing the power requirements of the wheelchair or finding a way to automatically charge the battery with the help of motion of the wheelchair. Comments on commercialization and targeted user. Comments on commercialization is aiming to hospitals, elderly and bedridden people having no control over their bodies other than the head. Targeted users is the people who has their control only on their head. Thank you.